Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Garjam channel. So whether MSc or BE Tech candidates are eligible for this recruitment or not, okay? This frequent query I received from you guys, and after verifying with 2 to 3 people who are there in DRDO, I got the process now, and now in this video properly I will tell you whether you are eligible or not. Okay, so let's start our video. Okay, now the basic and mandatory thing is what? That your BSc should be completed and diploma should be completed. Okay, compulsory you should have a BSc and diploma. So after 12th who did their BE BTech, they are not eligible. It's clear, right? Now what was our query at the time of notification video? I also tell you that if you complete your BE BTech after diploma, then you can apply. Just don't show BE BTech. Okay, like that I tell you. And MSc, for MSc also I told the same thing, that don't show your MSc directly, you can apply based on BSc. Okay, but now the process is like this, that after your selection, okay, they will verify whether you already completed MSc or BE BTech or not, and after that they will give you posting. Okay, it is not like they will not verify, they will directly give you this, right? Because this thing is clearly mentioned also, and the process is like this also only about DRDO. Last time also that thing happened. So in short, the thing is that if you completed, okay, again highlight the word completed. So if you completed MSc and BE BTech, then you are not eligible. Okay, if you complete your MSc and BE BTech, then you are not eligible. But suppose you are now in the final year or in the first, second, third year of MSc or BE BTech, then you can apply to the vacancy. But the possibility is there that you need to drop MSc and BE BTech. Okay. So now I hope that your priority is getting job. So I don't think any problem if you drop BE BTech and MSc. After that also lots of things will open. Okay, no need to think at this point of time. Important thing is that you should be eligible. Okay, and for that definitely only BSc and diploma is required. No higher qualification is required. Okay, whether it is BE BTech, MA, MTech, no, nothing is required. So I hope now it is clear that who are eligible and who are not. Okay, now those who are MSc and BE BTech candidates, no need to get sad as you miss this huge vacancy opportunity. Okay, see, lots of vacancies are running currently. They are active, like your HPCL is there, Mahatransco is there, Indian Bank is there, then various PSUs are there. Okay, based on experience and also like this. So vacancy are there, they are active. Okay, so keep preparing for these vacancies. Obviously I know the number is not that much big, but our primary focus is what? To get one seat. Okay, whether there are one vacancy or there are 1,000 vacancies. Now in the 2 to 3 days earlier, I uploaded Deshbandhu college video. Okay, there was only one vacancy. Still I uploaded the video. Why? Because that one vacancy will help someone to get their job. They get their first job. Okay, our priority is to get the job. And after that, definitely when you secure a job, then you can decide whether you are want to prepare for GATE, TSC, IAS, UPSC, whatever you want to do, you can do. But first priority is to get selection, is to get offer letter, is to get joining letter. Okay, this thing is very much clear in your mind, I hope. So I will recommend you to focus on the active vacancies, and lots of vacancy will come. Okay, just strong your concepts, strong your non-technical portion, strong your technical portion, because lots of vacancies are going to be there. Okay, and now I hope that everything is clear. And still, if someone in your circle feel difficulty for to understand eligibility, then you can share this video to them so that they can get help from this, right? And for BSc and diploma candidates, so definitely don't need to worry, because we will target DRDO and we will try hard to get vacancies in this. Okay, so all the upcoming videos will be there for you, that is strategy, free master plan, everything will be there. Okay, so just have a patience little bit. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram also. Okay, all the best, and compulsory join Telegram channel of DRDO. Now it official DRDO Telegram channel also there. Okay, and our Apna Government Job, that is mandatory. All the best.